Aloha everybody, thanks for joining us here on this drive from Maury's Garden to the Rainbow Tunnel in Mililani. It is June 9th, 2020 in this video. We're leaving Maury's Garden. Cheryl wanted to check out this place because they have a lot of succulents here for sale. They also have a lot of other plants for sale, fresh fruits, vegetables, eggs, pasta, and more. They also normally offer plant and crafting workshops. I'll put a link to their website down below if you're interested. Right now we're leaving Maury's Garden on Makapipipi Street. That's 3 PPPP. What was that for? Sorry, Makapipipi Street. So Makapipipi Street. Can you say that? Makapipipi Street? So right now we are on Makapipipi Street. The Rainbow Tunnel is a good photo op place. Right now we're going to be making a left turn here on Makohilani Street, and we're going to keep driving down Makohilani Street until we get to Lanikūhana Avenue. You're listening to Keli'i Mawai by Lono. This is Lanikūhana Ave, and we're making a right turn onto it. The street coming up on the right is Lanikūhana Place, and this is Kuahelani Neighborhood Park on the right. If you look to your left beyond the trees, that is Mililani District Park. If you look to your left, that is the skate park for skateboarding at Mililani District Park. This is the intersection of Lanikūhana Ave and Kuahelani Avenue. We will be making a left turn here. You're listening to Sunshine Slack by Lono. We are going to stay on Kuahelani Ave for a while. The street coming up on the left is Hōkūahiahi Street, and the Hōkūahiahi Neighborhood Park is right above it. We are now at the intersection of Kuahelani Avenue and Meheula Parkway. Meheula Parkway is one of the main roads that goes through Mililani. We're now crossing over Meheula Parkway and we're going to continue on Kuahelani Avenue for a little while more. Some information about Mililani. As a name, it's a girl's name that means love from heaven or to praise. Native Hawaiian chiefs fought battles to control precious lands of Mililani, which had fertile soil, cool climate, and sacred sites like the birthing stones where ali'i or ruling women delivered their children. I'll leave a link to the video of the birthing stones walk we did in the description below if you'd like to see it. The land here obtained by Castle and Cook used to be thriving plantation fields of pineapple and sugarcane. It is a fairly new developed residential area. The first 112 houses were put up for sale in 1968. In 1986, Mililani was named an All-American City in recognition of a community effort to clean up drinking water contaminated with agricultural pesticides. It is the only community in Hawaii to receive this distinction. On the left here is Mililani Golf Club entrance. We'll be making the next right turn on Kaloapau Street. Initially we drove past it, so I have to kind of show you where by arrow to turn to correct ourselves. We are now on Kaloapau Street. Mililani Neighborhood Park is here on the right side, and we are turning left here on Hakupokano Loop. Hakupokano Loop. We rarely come out to Mililani, so this is kind of a treat for us to go around and looking for this rainbow tunnel. We're just about nearing the end of this drive. And like I said earlier in the video, this is a good photo op. It's not a major sightseeing thing, just someplace to get some nice pictures. We are here at the Mililani Rainbow Tunnel area. You can't see the entrance of it, but the tunnel's on the left here. We're gonna park here on the left side, and then we're gonna take a short walk inside. This Mililani Rainbow Tunnel goes under Kamehameha Highway. On the other side of the tunnel, on the right, is the Mililani Post Office, and straight ahead is Mililani High School and its stadium and sports fields. And that is the Rainbow Tunnel in Mililani. One more time. Anyways, while Cheryl's taking pictures, thanks for watching, everybody. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe and click that bell so you can get notifications every time we post a new video. Take care, everybody. Aloha.